Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Open the fold. Now fold upon the crease from one side and then the other side. Press it well. Open the folds. Now towards the crease, fold the corners from one side and then the other and press it well. Now fold the upper corner towards the middle fold, then again fold from one side and then the other and press it to have a sharp shape of the plane. Now press inwards to form our triangular curve, forming the shape. Press it well. For the formation of a wing structure, you have to fold it like this from one side and then the other, and don't forget to press it well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Now fold the upper edges like this from one side and then the other and press it well. Open it, form the wings like this. Superb. Then from the other side. Great. It's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.